we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of VANTROPHIX 3.6 watts, 5 volts, solar panel for motorized blinds and shades. Consists of the following features. High-speed charging, engineered with high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon cells, are 3.6 watts, 5 volts, solar panel delivers a powerful 720 mA output current. With a conversion rate of 23, it ensures your motorized blinds stay powered up faster and more consistently. It's perfect for use in multiple areas such as living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and more. Universal dual-port compatibility. This small USB-C solar panel features a built-in Type-C cable and includes a micro USB adapter in the package. It is perfectly connector for smart roller shades, zebra blinds, and most lithium battery-operated tubular motors, ideal for various 5 volts low-power devices, ensuring your smart home stays connected. Maintenance-free and tidy. Say goodbye to messy extension cords and the hassle of manual charging. Our solar panel for motorized blinds provides a continuous, sustainable energy source, keeping your living space clean and organized. It is the perfect solution for high-ceiling or hard-to-reach windows, saving you the time, effort, and risk of frequently climbing ladders to plug in your chargers. 3M mount and matte PET installation is a breeze with no drilling required. Our solar panel kit includes industrial-grade 3M double-sided adhesive tape, ensuring a rock-solid grip on window glass that won't fall off even in the high temperatures of Texas or California. The premium matte PET surface is built to withstand long-term UV exposure for years of reliable use. Optimized for indoor smart windows. Specially designed for indoor window environments, this compact charger features a 48 cm or 18.5 inch charging cable for flexible positioning to capture maximum sunlight. Whether you are using it for motorized roller blinds or smart window treatments, this kit ensures your shades are always ready for your voice commands, providing a seamless set-it-and-forget-it experience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.